Hello ladies, we're in our second day of our informal workshop and we're having an exchange of knowledge with tips and tricks, and Janet and Rita have just both shown me how they avoid putting a waist knot in the end of their thread. So Janet, would you like to explain to us what you do?
I've got a small pair of quite strong magnets, and I always just flick it over the end of the thread. When you start, it means with your first stitch you do get a bit of tension on it and you don't end up with it loose.
Okay, and I suppose the other thing is you're not wasting so much thread because you have to cut your knot off before you can thread your needle to end your end thread.
Bring that up to where I want it and then just pop the magnet over the end.
Yep. And no waist knot to cut off.
And then I've got no waist knot to cut off.
That's lovely. And Rita, you don't have a waist knot either, do you?
No, I don't. I never use a knot. I never knot it. I just simply hold the end of the thread with my thumb until I've done the first few stitches, just to hold it in place.
Yeah.
I never use a knot.
Right.
I just like knotting the thread.
Yeah. Now, you've never stitched reversibly before,
No,
have you?
never.
And
never.
Your back of your work is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
I'm amazed myself.
And this is these are the only stitches you've put in at the workshop.
Yes.
And as everybody can see,
Yes.
Rita's stitching is truly reversible. Well done you. You've been an excellent student. In fact, all the ladies have. We've had such great fun.
Well, it's been wonderful. I've learnt so much in such a short space of time.
Great, that's
wonderful.
super.
Thank you.
And Janet, I think that you've learned so much as well.
Yes, I have.
So much. And Janet has these lovely protectors on the end of her frame, which you've made yourself, haven't you?
Yeah. It's just a length of fabric, just seamed on the ends, turned over, with a bit of elastic threaded through.
Yeah. And you could even use a piece of waste fabric from a project for that, isn't it? It doesn't take a lot. I think that's such a lovely idea, and you're keeping everything really pristine then, aren't you?
I've got a different, I've got different lengths for the different rod lengths.
That's a wonderful idea. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Thank you.